bad bit with all that ammo. Ride me like a camel, she get dirty in no camos.
Hey Steve, you wanna play hide and seek? Here I come.
If I ever said I'm never scared, just know I mean it.
Hey, I shoved that ball down my pants.
Quincy, I swear there's something wrong with you, buddy. What dogs hiss like that on the stairs?
Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
It's me.
Can I ask you something? What are those?
Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
Stay.
Steal! You found me.
J's on my feet, you know. J's on my feet, J's on my feet. Come on, come on.
Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking the bitches, slapping the hoe. Went to the park.
Quincy, we are going on a road trip!
Road trip.
Woo! Yes!
He's like, no. Jack said, don't backtalk. Oy.
Yo, Buster, check that bitch out right there. No, she didn't. Psh, what a bugs.
A red dress on tonight, dancing in the dark in the pale moonlight.
Quincy, are you ready to go to California next week? Give me a woohoo! Yeah!
What the fuck?
If you ain't talking money, I don't wanna talk. I'll call you back. You can tell I get this sack just by the way I walk.
Good morning, Grumpy.
Oh my god, girl, we have the same shoes. We were meant to be BFFLs.
I been getting money, where the fuck you been? Got a new crib just to fuck you in.
Help! Oh no! Help!
Panda, 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 panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just at the lean, the family. Credit cards in the sky.
Hey Stu, you wanna play hide and seek? Alright, you hide first. Here I come.
I'm that nigga on the block. Police pull up. I'm trying to stash the Glock. You that nigga on the low.
Patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty.
Guess who's expecting puppies? Who wants one?
we have to sit out here and wait a long periodically time.
You little stupid ass bitch, I ain't fucking with you.
Quincy, howl like a wolf.
Who's your best friend?
I wonder what they're thinking.
I pooped on this rug. I'm going to kill you both in your sleep tonight, you useless peasants.
Buster, come on, let's go. What? Are you kidding me? You got to be kidding me.
I was gonna clean my room until I got high. I was gonna.
Jack said, don't backtalk. Oy.
Quincy, wanna watch a movie? Give me a woo!
Girls' night, pedicures, talking about boys, pillow fight.
We stop, baby duck, but how are we gonna get down the steps? No place for enemies, but no place for enemies.
You doing okay over there, Otis?
Let's sing our favorite song. Rah 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 rah. Rah 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 rah.
Say, do you want a skateboard? Pew pew.
I'm stunner, I'm stunner, I'm stunner. I'm stunner, I'm stunner.
Quincy, it's Christmas tomorrow. Woo! Yeah!
Baby.
Buster, I gotta go. I'll talk to you later.
Say, do you want to say hi to all your friends? Say hi.
Hey, what's it like being a dog? Good story, bro. Will you hold my hand? Oh, won't you stay?
Solano, can I have a few words with you? Thank you.
Maybe he only speaks whale.
Jax, can you whisper?
Da, 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 I got my eyes on you. Ah.
Oh, won't you stay with me?
I got you something. Just kidding. Okay, you can have it. Just kidding.
I love you.
I love you.
What is that?
Momo, are you a baby? Yeah, baby Momo. Baby Momo.
The way you move is a mess.